Alright, what's up, y'all? So today we got a little special ride. I got a stock BMW S1000 out here, and he wants us to see how his stack up against mine right here. So we know it ain't gonna be a race now, but I mean it'll be my first new S1000 that I've raced. Just waiting on his buddies right now to load up, and we gonna get on out of here. Easy work.
My quick shifter got stuck on third and fourth.
Oh.
This happened to me already 3 times. I gotta take it to the dealer. Yeah, bro, I redlined in third gear like 3-4 seconds. My shit was up.
I'm impressed. I was not expecting not to do that. I'm impressed. I said I'm impressed.
It did it again on 6th gear. It didn't want to go in. That's why you beat me at the end. I wanted to put it in 6th to leave because when I hit it in 6th, bro, it goes.
I see what you mean now, but when it getting higher for him, it goes. I'm like, shit, that thing taking off. Damn.
I thought, yeah, for a second, I thought I was going to beat you a little bit. That shit was.
I'm shocked.
Huh?
I'm telling you, I'm shocked.
Yeah. I knew I had you, bro. I knew I could get you. Bro, that bike is top business.
I see. I was not expecting you to be right beside me the whole time.
I was expecting after we were like lined up for a while, I was expecting to leave you because, bro, I'm telling you, the top end is just a monster. But I can tell your shit.
Oh yeah, my stuff ain't slow, bro. I tell you.
I redlined so hard in 3rd gear. I looked down and this shit. Manual, fuck. Then the second race, it did the same thing on 6th gear. I just slowed down after that.
Yeah, I came out of it. When I looked down, I came out like 195, bro.
Yeah, I came out of it, yeah.
For real though, bro. I gotta give you props on that shit, bro. That was awesome.
That was a good race, bro.
I wish I had a 360. I hope this camera picked it up by 360. We were right beside each other.
Yeah,
like I'm looking over you, looking at you. I'm like, God damn.
That was a good fucking race.
Heck yeah.
Yeah, that's good race. That's the best part race I had, man. That can't be any like more like neck and neck on that one.
Yeah. I was in slick mode. I like the first one I was in the race mode. The second one I was in slick mode, so it won't hold nothing back. I can tell you now though, bro, besides the guys that race in Greensboro with stretched and more tuned S1000 than I have, yours is the first bike that's ever kept up with me. Like, actually kept up with me. I usually leave everybody that I race. I was like, God dang, this bike is no joint on its stock. That's why I'm like, what the hell?
About that stage 2 air exhaust today, bro.
I said on camera, like, when you get that tune, you won't be a problem. You won't be a problem. Like, damn. That second run though, like, I took off. I'm like 85% tuck, and I saw you beside. I'm like, I got ready about that windshield there. I'm telling you right now, bro. If you ever were to put a strap on that thing so you can take off in first gear, that bike can compete with anything non-stretch in North Carolina.